Lena Mae Moses is a suburban middle school located 45 minutes north of Atlanta, with approximately 900 students and with a student teacher ratio of 18:1. The student body consists approximately of 46% Caucasian students, 35% African American, 11% Hispanic Latino, and 5% other.
Of our about 981 students, 17% of those are students that are ESEP. We have 10 ESEP teachers and 8 ESEP paraprofessionals. Further breakdown of that, we have 6 interrelated teachers who teach the small group and co-taught math and language arts classes. And we have our 3 paraprofessionals that split all 3 grade levels. We do have some specific self-contained classrooms, and each of those has 1 teacher and 1 parapro. We have the EBD classroom, MID, MIID, and our SID PIT classroom.
Our identified performance problem, with our problem, we are tackling the teachers. The problem, the teachers are spending too much time finding the IEP accommodations for individual students. Our problem statement, teachers are spending too much time finding IEP accommodations for individual students.
Okay, so to gather data, we will be surveying all certified teachers who implement an IEP, asking questions like, how long does it take for you to find this information? Then we will be also having observations of these same teachers, specifically focused on general ed teachers as well as special education teachers. The observation being giving them a sample IEP and seeing how long it takes for them to find the accommodation and to be able to explain how to implement it.
So along with those observations, we are going to do interviews for each of these different populations, including special ed teachers, gen ed teachers, and then the ESEP leader of the school.
This data will impact the investigation because, for the possible quantified performance gap, this allows us to distinguish who is and is not familiar with knowing where the IEP is, where the accommodations are. Possible causes for this performance problem is a lot of the teachers or educators, they might not know how to properly navigate to find the paperwork, or when they get to the paperwork, they will not know how to navigate and find the actual accommodations which are supposed to be implemented in the classroom. Some suggested interventions to solve this performance problem would be properly training educators on how to find this IEP and how to properly navigate through the IEP to find the accommodations in which the students are to receive, and maybe having a template to organize each student's accommodation to know which student is receiving what services during the time in the class.